guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. So today, in about 3 hours, I think, yeah, I'm going to the airport to go to Perth for the weekend. So I am going to do a packing video and kind of show you what I do to prep for going on a trip and the things that I'm packing and how I'm packing everything and storing everything. So that's what I'm doing today. I have a few things already packed because I like to kind of collect things in the lead up to the day that I'm leaving, and then the day of, I just like to put everything in, unless of course it's like an early morning flight in which I will put everything in the night before, but because I'm not leaving till the afternoon today, I can pack during the day. So I'm gonna go through and pack with you guys. I'm trying to decide if I should do something with my hair, because when I get to Perth tonight, I'm gonna go like straight to dinner, and I'm like, do I actually do something with my hair? And then it'll probably fall out in like the 6 hours between now and doing dinner, and like, I don't know, it's actually not gonna be 6 hours, it's gonna be like 8 hours or something. I think I might just leave it, just kind of go out tonight with just like my hair up in like a bun, and I'll do hair tomorrow because it's just so much effort. Also, I don't know what I'm wearing on the plane. Right now I'm wearing one of my new t-shirts. It's actually so cute. Look, it's like a little kitty here and another one up here. This is from Cotton On, and I got it the other day, and I actually got two new t-shirts because I have like no decent t-shirts and I love t-shirts, so got some t-shirts. Yeah. Anyways, let's get packing, let's get into it. Before I go on any trips, I always do my clothes washing like the day or two before. So yesterday I did a light load and a dark load, and I will be taking some socks and some tops and pajamas off these racks. But it's just nice to have everything washed before I leave. I actually have them on my bed right now, the clothes racks, because my heater is up there and it's pointed directly at the clothes racks, which is helping them dry a little bit faster. But that's one of the prep things I do before I go away, is I always do my clothes washing. Another thing that I do when I'm getting ready to go away is I start planning like days in advance. So these are just bits and pieces that I have pulled out that I definitely want to take with me. This rack is really helpful for that, as I can just start putting together my like packing clothes like well in advance. And I've got a few pieces on my bed as well, but I need to go through now and go and get everything else because I'm leaving in a couple of hours. I've got some other jeans, one underwear, just one underwear. I'm gonna take one. No, I'm kidding, I'm gonna take more. I don't know why I only have one on the bed. I've got 2 pairs of shoes up here. These are on my bed because they're brand new, so they're not dirty. My glasses case. This is my Muji, what do you call this? Travel, like toiletries bag. Best thing I've ever purchased. Earphones and my laptop. I actually need to get a connector to be able to put this into my laptop, and I'm hoping I can do that at the airport because I don't have one. Down here I have 2 more pairs of shoes. So these are the only shoes that I'm taking with me. These green sneakers are from Kmart, and then I have my heels from Windsor Smith that I got years ago. I love them, but I can't get them anymore. And I want these in white. If I had these in white, I would be taking those instead, but no Kmart has them in stock right now. As soon as they come back in stock, someone please tell me. I've driven halfway across Melbourne to try and find them because some stores were like, oh, we like, you know, they're selling fast. Nope, they're gone. They're not even in stock. Then my handbag, and yeah, that's about as much as I have so far. Over here I have some of my accessories. So I have these sunglasses, I have my reading glasses, I have one more pair of sunglasses in my cupboard I need to grab out, and then I have some accessories. So I have this gold watch that my nan got me for my 21st birthday, and then a gold Pandora ring, and then I have these black and gold earrings from Feather and Noise, the tassel, the nude tassel ones, and like the other kind of crescenty gold ones are from Lavisa, and then the blue ones are from Feather and Noise as well. I'm going to be putting them in a Ziploc bag because I don't actually have a little pouch, but I think Ziploc bags are one of the best ways to organize your packing and whatnot. I'm going to use a few of them for different things. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop all this in there now. I think I'm almost done. So I've got a knit, my white blouse, I have a white kind of cami and then a black cami just in case it's a bit warm, and they're so small to pack anyway, so I thought I'd take both. I have my black blouse, hair extensions, accessories, denim jacket, I have 2 belts, a black one and a brown one, 2 pairs of sunglasses. The grey top is a pajama top. I'm going to grab my pajama pants in a second. I have my makeup bag, my makeup brushes, and then also my toiletries bag, and I'll go through those in a little more in depth in a sec. And then I have 2 t-shirts. I actually took the t-shirt that I was wearing off, and I'm going to pack it and just wear real plain, boring, basic clothes on the plane. I need a long sleeve shirt because it's just so cold on planes. I have a million pairs of ankle socks, 2 pairs of regular socks just in case it's cold or whatever at the hotel and I just want to wear socks to bed, I don't know. 3 pairs of jeans, a singlet to wear under one of my blouses, and then I have a one-piece swimsuit. I have this grey backpack that I think I might take as carry-on instead of a suitcase. And then some London Rebel slides, my Betts brogues, I suppose, and then my Kmart sneakers, I'll wear those on the plane, and then my Windsor Smith heels, and then my handbag I'll carry as well. Oh, and a little black clutch as well. I'm only going to take black accessories because I don't know, black will go with all of these shoe choices and I think it'll be, yeah, a good decision. And then up here I'm just starting to get my electronics together, like my camera charger, my like phone charger, which the edge of it was accidentally dipped in my cup of tea, so that's why it's brown. And yeah, I'm almost done. I'm so excited to start putting it in my suitcase. Also too, if you want to see any of these as full outfits, I will show you like in my vlog while I'm at Perth. I'll show you what I'm wearing each day and how I use all this to kind of create my outfits. Plus, I think I might get Dan to take some photos of me and I might put my outfits up on my blog. Let me know if you would like to see that because I think that would be fun to do. I forgot to mention underwear. I do have a little pile of underwear over there in the corner. So yeah, I think I might just need some like flowy pants to take with me tonight because it will be, oh, I don't know what to wear to dinner. I'll work this out. So this is my toiletries bag. This is my Muji case. I got this just before I went to Bali and I love it. It's so compact and an easy way to like put everything together. I have a little travel size Batiste dry shampoo. I also have my Kerastase like hair thing that you put serum, whatever you call it. I have my Rexona deodorant. I have my Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Eye Cream. I also have my Edible Beauty Snowflower Illuminating Face Oil that I have been using as well. And then, oh, I have a concealer. This needs to go into that bag over there. I have my makeup removal wipes. I also have, I'll come back to this one in a second. I have a shampoo and conditioner that's just been sitting in my cupboard. I can't remember what the brand is. I also have a body wash. This is like a Dove body wash that I have at Dan's house and I actually kind of want to bring it back here so I can stop using that Lush one. I also have a perfume. This is the Replica Beach Walk perfume. I love this. This is so nice. It was actually one of the other Replica scents that I sprayed on at Mecca the other day and it smelled so bad, but this one's actually quite nice. I have my toothbrush and my little travel toothpaste, and then I also have my travel hairbrush. So this is going to be a fun game of Tetris, trying to put this all in here. I do have a full-size moisturizer. So this is the Glow Lab Facial Moisturizer. I think you can get this at Priceline. I have been using this like yesterday and today because I ran out of my Edible Beauty moisturizer. This is actually not that bad. Like it's like, it feels like water on your face. I actually really like that. So it feels really hydrating. I do have some full-size products going in here just because I can't be bothered to kind of decant them and put them into travel size things. So we're just gonna go with it and I'm gonna try and Tetris this up and like make this fit in the best way possible, I suppose. So that's the game right now. So this is my brush roll. This is the designer brands like brushes. All the white ones are designer brands, but all of the black ones are a combination of Crown brushes from years and years and years ago, and also my Zoeva brushes. And I've just added a few of the extra like eye brushes so that I can do different eye looks. So that's the little brush roll that I'm taking. I love like how easy this is to just put everything in and neatly like pack up all my brushes. And then when it comes to my makeup, as you know, I've got my little Ted Baker makeup bag. I have had this for like a million years. I absolutely love it. So I try to keep my makeup pretty minimal for when I'm going on holidays. So I'm just gonna empty it and I'll go through it with you. Okay, so let's start at the base. I've got my Mecca Max Lifeproof Longwear Foundation. I love this. I have 2 concealers. So I have the Mecca Max Lifeproof Cream Concealer, and then I also have the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard, and this is a new edition. I bought this the other day when I was out shopping with Dan. I love it. It's amazing. So I'm taking both of these. The goal that I wanted with this actually is like I use quite a thin layer of this, then touch up any of the spots with concealer, and then I've actually been not using this one to whatever. Anyways, I just kind of want to wear less foundation and then just add a few spots of concealer rather than like a full coverage makeup look. Yeah, whatever, that makes sense. What else? So let's go brows next. I have the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which has a spoolie and the pencil on one side. Color number 3, I think. I also have the Hourglass Arch Fiber Gel in Soft Brunette. I'd actually like to get this in a darker color because I think that would be really good. I also have my Duo Eyelash Glue. I have this little container from Muji that will like put my lashes in when I'm not wearing them. I have my Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. I have a Models Prefer Black Pencil Liner. I have my MAC Prep and Prime like lip balm. Actually, I don't really know why I'm taking this, but it's going anyway. I also have my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I have my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake, which I kind of don't like it. I want a lighter one. And then I have for eyeshadow, I have my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, which I think is such a great palette for like traveling with. And then for my face, I have the Narcissist palette in Wanted number 1. It's a cheek palette and it has like a highlighter, blush, like a slightly shimmery blush, and then 2 other blushes as well. So I just really like this because it's got a bit of everything in it, heaps of looks, and it's also small enough to fit in here to travel with as well. So that is my makeup brushes, and my toiletries, all in just like these 3 little compact bags. I love it. It's time to pack. I've got out my suitcase. I have the like black hard case American Tourister suitcase. I just got it from Strand Bags or something a couple of years ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack all of my clothes into this side, which is so puffy. Why are you puffy? And then I'm going to put like all my products and electronics in this side and zip it up. So got to do all that. Trying to work out what else I need. My suitcase seems really under full and I don't know why. I know I've got my electronics to do, but I'm going to take part of those on the plane with me so that I can like edit and do video stuff on the plane. I don't know, I think that's it for now. Yeah, I'm just going to run around and get my electronics and I think I'm going to take this backpack as carry-on and put my laptop and everything in here rather than take an extra suitcase because I really don't need it. Like, this is empty, so yeah, let's do that. I think I've pretty much packed everything. The only things that have to go into my suitcase are this camera that I'm like filming on. I've got my vlog camera over there that's just finished charging. I'm gonna take this gray backpack here. This is a Zoella backpack I got years and years and years ago. I wish you could still get it because like I always get so many compliments about this backpack and I love it, and I use it to just go little places here and there with it all the time. So I love it. I think I'm almost done packing. I can't wait to just zip up my suitcase and then like be able to just go to the airport. So I'm done. I finished packing. I grabbed an extra pair of pants, these orange satin ones to wear out for dinner, and then I've packed my tripod, electronics, all my toiletries and everything is there. So this is ready to be zipped up. I'm gonna wear these shoes, take this bag with me. The electronics that I'm taking on the plane with me are these ones. And then I'm also going to wear my favorite jumper that I got from Meccaland. It's the most comfiest jumper ever. I'm taking a scarf and then also this cardigan as well because I freeze on planes. I need like a million layers. So this is kind of like my comfy on the plane outfit. I'm actually just wearing like Lululemon leggings and then a long sleeve shirt so that I can be super warm. And then I'm also going to just like pack everything into this little backpack instead of taking my little white suitcase. So that should be pretty much it, and I think I'm good to go. All right, I'm all packed and I have to run. My car showed up way quicker than I thought it would, so I'm gonna end my video here. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my Perth vlog. That'll be up sometimes next week, but I'm going on holiday. I'll see you guys later.